can do this, bro. I can do this. It takes all of us. Please. Say things at one time, say things at one time. I'll do this one more round. I think staying in the corners is pretty bad because you can get tagged almost immediately. They can just pull your gun at you and go spray you up. Like, you know what I mean? Like, don't go onto that position because they can just tag your legs. You know. Right, the Iraqi invasion of Iran. Okay, let's go. This is the last round, I swear. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. What the hell? He's a Frenchman or something, bro. We all use the opening safe. You're Francis. He tagged me with a scream. Ah! Did you hear with a scream? Ah! Bro, this is mother guns. I mean, the oldest. This is what guns used to do. Yeah, bro, I'm telling you, no lies, bro. I'm the biggest, bro. Tagged me with Frenchman. Or was he? The French. We got no freaking points, my guy. These are unstoppable people, bro. They have advanced technology. Look, he has the AK-47 in literal Iraq. Yeah. Bro, we're literal Iraq and Iran. We're gonna lose the war since again and again. Okay. Yo, bro thinks he can start me, bro. No one can start me. Kung Fu Panda. Right. I ain't precisely, bro. He has got 56 tabs and he has AK-47. How? It's literally the third gun. Bro. Actually, I saw a default avatar with an AK-47 and I've got one. Even more than an AK-47. Even more than a sniper. That's the ARC. I really hate this gun. Well, I find the name, I really love this gun because I feel like this is the best gun to aim in my opinion. Because snipers really take long to reload. You know what I'm feeling? I don't really want to get the rounds in since the gun shoots those bullets, but the reload's very, very slow and you can get tagged instantly by default avatar, you know. You can ask some questions in the comments as well, and also, please comment happily even get in the comments. I don't care if I get any no subscribers. I don't care if I get no likes, but I only care if I get one literal almost over 5